Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your friends list from appearing on your profile on your PlayStation 5 so everyone cannot see it. So what you want to do is just go to your profile. So just go to your profile right here, open this up and go to where it says profile. Then go all the way to the right and go to this little option right here, edit profile or privacy settings. Let's go to privacy settings actually and bring us right to this page where we can go on down and it says who can see your friends. So I have mine selected to friends of friends. So if you go to no one right here, let's see if it actually blocks it on my own profile. So here's my friends list, so I can still see it, but other people would not be able to see it whatsoever. So if someone went to my profile, it'd just be blank and wouldn't load anything. So usually I just set this to friends of friends. So if there is a mutual friend, they can see if we have mutual friends in common. But I don't set it to anyone anymore. Maybe I'll set it to no one or friends only in the future. So just check that out. Maybe you want to adjust that just for extra security. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.